In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make half of your photo blurred on Figma. We're creating a clean split look where one side of your image stays sharp and the other is blurred, perfect for highlighting a subject or creating contrast in a presentation, thumbnail, or social post. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in any Figma file. First, open Figma and head into the file or page where you want to work. If you're starting fresh, create a frame to hold your image so scaling and alignment are easier later. Frames help keep everything organized and make your layout responsive if you're designing for specific sizes. Next, add your image. You can drag and drop it right into the canvas, or use the Place Image option from the toolbar. With the image selected, resize it as needed. Hold Shift while dragging a corner to keep the proportions intact, and position it the way you want. Think about which half you want blurred and leave enough room to make that split look intentional. Now duplicate the image so you have two identical copies stacked on top of each other. The quickest way is to select the image and press Command or Control-D or hold Option or Alt and drag. You should now have two layers in the same spot. For clarity, it can help to rename them in the Layers panel, one as the original and one as the copy you'll blur, so you always know which is which. Select the second image and crop it so it covers only the half you want blurred. Click the Crop button in the toolbar or use the crop controls in the right sidebar. Then drag the edges until you're keeping exactly one side of the image. Aim to align the crop edge cleanly down the middle or wherever you want the split to land. Zoom in if you need pixel-level precision. With the cropped half selected, apply a blur. In the right sidebar under Effects, click the plus icon and choose Layer Blur. This instantly blurs that cropped half while the full image underneath remains sharp. Make sure the blurred, cropped layer is sitting above the original in the layer stack so the split is visible. Finally, make adjustments. Increase or decrease the blur radius until it matches the mood you're after. Subtle for a professional look, stronger for dramatic contrast. Nudge the cropped layer left or right to fine-tune the seam and ensure the edges align perfectly with the image beneath. If you change your mind about which side is blurred, just recrop the top layer to the opposite half. That's it, clean, controlled, and easy to tweak anytime.